May we now invite Aisha Ma'am, the grade 10 teacher of Sophia English High School, to deliver the welcome speech. Something from my parents. Claps should go on in between. That's the Josh. How is the Josh?
Once again, good evening, one and all present over here. Sophia English High School, as rightly said, great leaders do not create followers, they create more leaders. Today, we are truly blessed to be guided by such inspiring leaders who shape not only minds but also hearts and futures. A very good evening to our honorable dignitaries, respected chief guests, dear parents, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you all on the joyful occasion of the annual day celebration 2025-26 of Sophia English High School. We are deeply honored to welcome our esteemed dignitaries. First of all, I would like to welcome our respected Mr. Muhammad Shabuddin sir, President and Secretary, a visionary leader whose guidance, dedication and tireless efforts have laid a strong foundation for our institution and continue to inspire excellence in education. His commitment towards quality education and value-based learning has been a constant source of motivation for all of us. I request our respected HM ma'am to please honor respected Shabuddin sir. Welcome sir to this occasion. Dear parents, dear students, put your hands together. We welcome sir on this bright evening.
Thank you.
Now let us welcome our respected Mr. Mohammad Luqman Sharif sir, Principal, Shampura Branch, an able administrator and academic leader whose discipline, commitment and constant encouragement motivate both teachers and students to strive for their very best. Welcome you sir for this occasion. I request again our HM ma'am to please welcome Luqman sir. Now I would like to welcome our respected Dr. Sara Sharif ma'am, Principal, Vinoba Nagar Branch, a dynamic and inspiring educational leader whose vision and innovative ideas have significantly enhanced academic standards and holistic development of our students. A round of applause for Sara ma'am. I request our respected HM ma'am to please honor Sara ma'am. We welcome you Sara ma'am once again for this function.
Look here, look here. One picture. Thank you.
We all will read together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma rabba hazahi dawati tama as-salawatil qaima ati muhammadin lillazi latal fazilata wa basu wa qamam lillazi wadda innaka la tukliful mi'ad birahmatika ya rahmur rahim.
Thank you parents and thank you Harman for the quick response to me. I request Mrs. Aisha to continue.
Dear parents and students, now it's time to welcome our respected headmistress Mrs. Ruhi ma'am, headmistress of Shampura Branch, a compassionate mentor and devoted educator whose sincere dedication, discipline and motherly care have played a vital role in shaping young minds and nurturing strong moral values. We welcome you all, we all welcome you ma'am for this grand occasion. I request our respected Dr. Sara Sharif ma'am to honor our headmistress.
Okay, this was a quite surprising for me. I take it with a privilege that thank you ma'am.
All the students and parents, a huge round of applause for our HM ma'am.
Jao, jao.
This credit I would like to give it to my 10 standing students. coming from the outgoing students of 10th standard students who have given me a lot of love, and the management who have stood behind me for all my success. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am, all the dignitaries and my grade 10 beloved students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, on behalf of all the 10th standard students and on behalf of Sophia family. Now, let us welcome our beloved well-wishers, Mr. Shiv Kumar sir, Mr. Vittal sir and Mr. Omkar sir, who has rendered more than 25 years of selfless service to Sophia schools. Your unwavering commitment, loyalty and dedication are truly commendable and will always remain a guiding light for generations to come. Sophia family welcomes you all, sir, on this grand occasion. Huge round of applause for everybody, for all the dignitaries sitting on the stage.
जाओ सामने जाओ. बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही कैमरा में.
To tell you, they are the well-wishers of Sophia English High School. I think so you all are watching from them from a very long time. So we did not leave them. We wanted them also to be here for a very long time. So we have expected a round of applause for all the 3 dignitaries present here.
We also welcome respected Mr. Umar sir, Principal of Sophia PU College on this grand occasion. Welcome sir, on behalf of Sophia family, I welcome you all.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. We can stand for a group. Thank you. Thank you.
And last but not the least, I would like to welcome our respected teachers, dear parents and my beloved students. A very warm welcome to you all. Today is not just a celebration. It is a reflection of a year filled with learning, growth, discipline, creativity and achievements. Annual Day gives us an opportunity to look back with pride and forward with hope. It showcases the hard work of our students, the dedication of our teachers, the support of our parents and the visionary guidance of our management. This special evening provides a vibrant platform for our students to display their academic excellence, cultural talents, creativity, confidence and teamwork. Each performance you witness today reflects the spirit of joyful learning and holistic education. On behalf of the entire Sophia English High School family, I once again extend a warm and blooming welcome to our respected dignitaries, honored guests, parents, teachers and dear students. Let us together enjoy this beautiful evening filled with joy, inspiration, pride and celebration. Thank you and have a memorable annual day.
Thank you, beloved teacher, Mrs. Aisha. We just don't want to wind it up here in giving the bouquets. We would like to honor them also with a token of love. The management has planned a small token of love for our dignitaries who are the well-wishers of Sophia English High School. I request the dignitaries to take the honors. Now I request our Shabuddin sir to come forward to do the honors to the well-wishers. And so I request you to stand there itself. Next we have our Omkar sir, please come forward. And our Vittal sir also to join us with us today. So please be there.
Going on.
आज सितारे तुम्हें चमकते हुए नजर आना, करें तो म्हणजे कैसा मालूम होना सो कि तुम्हें चमक रही विथ क्लैप्स कि मालूम हो रहा कि तुम्हें प्रेजेंट ही सो की जाए तो दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग समुंदर अधूरा है किनारों के बिना चांद अधूरा है सितारों के बिना आज का कार्यक्रम अधूरा है सोफे पेरेंट्स के बिना राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज
Round of applause for the parents once again.
I request Avital sir to take the honors from our Shabuddin sir. A big round of applause for the three dignitaries present along with us today. To tell you about them, we respectfully invited our Shabuddin sir. Thank you, Shabuddin sir. The well-wishers of that, we'd like to tell two sentences for each of you. So, Vittal sir, it is for you. So, we deeply appreciate your dedicated service, sincerity, the continuous support towards our academic excellence. You are really a true inspiration for all of us. Round of applause for our Vittal sir.
Respected Mr. Shiv Kumar sir, this is for you. Sir, you are inspiring leadership, unwavering commitment and remarkable contribution in education truly motivates both staff and students. Thank you so much on behalf of entire Sophia family. Huge round of applause for Shiv Kumar sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
So we have a Omkar sir, a quick response person. So we need this help immediately. Omkar sir is there. So we sincerely thank you sir for your visionary guidance, continuous encouragement and valuable contribution in shaping the future of all the students of Sophia English High School students. Round of applause for all the three. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our respected dignitaries for honoring us with your gracious presence and constant support.
Your encouragement inspires us to aim higher, dream bigger and achieve excellence.
Thank you. We have here words of experience always inspire us, especially inspire me. None other than we invite Muhammad Shabuddin sir to address the gathering. A big round of applause, the strongest pillar of Sophia English High School.
अर्षा इनके पीछे से भी जाते हैं स्टेज पर चढ़ जाओ ज़रा वक्त के बाद.
A very good evening to everyone. Respected chief guests, distinguished guests on the dais, dear parents, well-wishers, my dedicated teachers and my dear students, good evening to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Sophia English High School, Elevate 2026, Rising Beyond Limits. Annual Day is not just a celebration of performances. It is a celebration of efforts, growth, resilience, and achievements. It is a moment where we pause, reflect on our journey, and rejoice in how far we have come together as a school family. The theme Elevate, actually it is designed by me, Rising Beyond the Limits. It's deeply meaningful. It reminds us that education is not merely about marks and ranks, but about raising our thoughts, values, when guided with care, discipline, and encouragement. The academic year 25-26 has been a year of hard work and determination. Our students have shown commendable progress, not only in academics, but also in co-curricular activities. Whether it is in a classroom or on the sports field or on the stage or in the community service. our students have proven that limits exist only to be overcome. This success would not have been possible without our dedicated teachers. Hats off to our teachers who work tirelessly to shape young minds with patience and passion. And I take opportunity to sincerely thank each teacher for being mentors, role models, and pillars of the strength of our students. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our parents. Your trust, cooperation, and constant support empower us to nurture your child into confident and responsible individuals. A child truly flourishes when school and home walk in hand. To my dear students, today is your day. The performances you will witness this evening are not just acts on the stage. They are expressions of creativity, discipline, teamwork, confidence. As you perform, remember, believe in yourself. That I keep always telling you. Believe in yourself. To believe that, you need to have discipline and consistency. Always dream big and never be afraid to rise beyond your limits. That's the theme which I have given. I would like to also thank our respected chief guest for this gracing occasion and inspiring us with your presence. I also like to thank our headmistress who has constantly supported the team and the students as well as cooperation with the parents. So let us together celebrate tonight. Let us recommit ourselves to the values of sincerity, perseverance, and excellence. Let us continue to elevate our standards, our dreams, our actions, not just today, but every day. With these words, I officially declare the annual day celebration Elevate 2026 Rising Beyond Limits is open. Thank you all. I don't want to take much of time. I think I have taken too much of time. I see that you guys are patiently waiting to see your children's performances. And I really apologize for the inconvenience occurred. It was supposed to start by 3. Everything cannot go in hand. Everything cannot be perfect all the time. Some are the other things, can go in vain. So I sincerely apologize and I ask all my dear parents and students to cooperate. See, the show is not only for us. It's for you guys to see your children's talents and performances. In this era, it is not only academics, it is also extracurricular activities. So let's move on, and I thank you everyone. Good luck to everyone and have a wonderful evening. Thanks very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Our respected Mr. Shahabuddin sir has always been a great inspiring leader and a great motivator for all the students as well as for the staff. Sir, we are very much lucky to have you as a great leader, as a great mentor. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for giving us this platform of Sophia English High School. Once again, on behalf of all the students and staff, I thank you very much. Today, we invest not just in education, but in potential, perseverance, and promise.
I request Mr. Yogesh to arrange the dignitaries so they can be seated and watch the wonderful program for the first.